Troy, what are we doing?
Losing wrenches.
Did you lose a wrench? Hi, Donna.
Hi, Michael.
Ooh, you been spitting in that? You got a filter? We're fixing the dump truck.
What's wrong with it?
Glue a hose. And then it glue a section between the valves. The
Ooh.
O-ring.
Yeah.
And then it used to be an old county truck for snow plowing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, excuse me. So we decided to get rid of the other two frickin' valves that are no need to be there, and both valves were just blocked off.
Oh, okay.
So we only got one slab now with one control, because that's all it needs.
Yeah.
And this hose was bad going along the frame. It broke a hole.
Mm-hmm.
So we made it out of 1/2 inch instead,
Okay.
because we had the ends for it.
Okay.
And then, yeah. No,
There's a prop rod there.
yeah, we're safe.
Yep. We have to be safety first.
And there's blocks.
And blocks.
And
Yes.
yesterday I had to, what did I have to do? I had to take the damn tractor back out because you had a full load in it and drag it out to the tailgate.
Yep.
And lift the box up and dump the rest of the oil.
Yep. I got to be in the truck.
I damn near had it tipped over.
Nah.
Yeah.
I
damn near had
you.
the tractor backhoe tipped
Yeah,
over.
you-
I had to put the downrigger down because I couldn't, I
I-
put it in gear to drive and I'm like, oh, I had to put it in 4-wheel drive because it was,
I know. It was. You were leaning. You were leaning pretty good. I was rocking a little bit, but I knew it wasn't
Yeah.
gonna.
yeah, you know, Troy over there wasn't here. They were out on the road making me money somewhere else with the service truck. We gotta give the service truck a name.
Jenny.
That Logger Wade guy, he's got a name for all of his vehicles. He's got Blackie, that's his semi, and then sometimes he calls it the Flying Chicken because it's an International Eagle. No, I think I just call it the Flying Chicken for him. Jenny. For the service truck?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jenny.
With an eye.
Jenny with an I?
Yep.
Okay. But was that with a G too? Ginny? G-I-N-N-I? Uh-oh, here comes the big log truck coming in the yard. I suppose it's around 1 o'clock, everybody's done for the day. Oh, yeah. Well, there you go, that's about what we're up to today, eh? What are you doing?
Jesus clips.
Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Don't say that around them. Yeah. Oh, you gotta hook up the. You want help? Hope you find some, they say. You got the right cable there?
Should do.
Them other ones couldn't even work. Look at us did.
You could give him a hand.
I am. I'm watching.
No.
Good job, Troy.
Yeah. See.
Good job.
Now you're thinking.
Right. Hopefully we'll have her. Hopefully she'll be able to get her up in a couple hours here.
Well, you know, if it's a girl, you gotta warm her up first.
Yeah, I know it. Guys, they just get her up right away. In it? In it? Let's go then. You need help?
Sure.
Won't lose that clip. We got 3 more.
Oh, that's the other two, right?
Do we have some more then? Oh, it goes in between?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. There you go. I heard her click. You're awesome.
I know.
Good deal. Look at it, even got a grease provision on that. What else? Cut.